Nucleotides are important for energy transfer and for information storage and transfer. A nucleotide consists of one or more phosphate groups, as you can see here, a 5-carbon sugar, and a carbon-nitrogen ring structure called a nitrogenous base, which is shown here. Note that there's a lot of nitrogen here. So a single nucleotide has some functions. For example, it can capture and transfer energy in the form of high-energy electrons or phosphate bonds. So some molecules you may be familiar with are ATP for adenosine triphosphate, ADP, adenosine diphosphate, NAD, and FAD. Single nucleotides also aid in cell-to-cell communication, and as well as intracellular communication. An example of that would be cyclic AMP. Polymers of nucleotides are called nucleic acids. They store and transmit genetic information. DNA is a polymer of nucleotides. DNA molecule consists of 3 parts: a nitrogenous base, as you can see here, a 5-carbon sugar called deoxyribose, and a phosphate group shown here in green. There are 4 DNA nucleotides, each with one of the 4 nitrogenous bases. So there are four called nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Structurally, DNA and RNA are nearly identical. RNA is ribonucleic acid. It's a single-stranded nucleic acid, so right away that's one difference. DNA is typically double-stranded, as you can see here, forming a double helix with 2 complementary strands of DNA linked through hydrogen bonds. RNA also has ribose sugar instead of deoxyribose, and finally RNA has uracil, here shown with a U, rather than thymine.